I've been in the technology field for about 20 years or 20 plus years. I'm an old man. And yeah, I've been a chief data scientist for a big part of that. Have led many teams, have read thousands of resumes, done hundreds of interviews, and led dozens of people. So happy to be here with you guys. If you have questions, let me know. Please introduce yourself. Let me know where you're from. I love the chat system here because I'm able to highlight different chats as they come in. So to kick us off, the Gambling Man is letting us know he's from Singapore. Well, good to see you. Good to see you, Gambling Man. I guess gambling is a pretty good extension for a data scientist, right? Lots of probabilities and statistics involved. So good to see you. Thank you for spending some time with me. Appreciate you being here. Fares Cowdrey, a previous supporter of the stream. So glad to see you here, my friend. I hope that this stream time is a little bit more friendly to your time zone. So give me some feedback on that. The Gambling Man says yes, it's Friday morning. Okay, good. That was exactly the intent for choosing this time. Again, for me, it's my evening. I just got back from walking the dog and. We're kind of wrapping up my day. I usually have dinner and then I feed my dog, and then a few minutes after that, we go walking. So walked him a little bit, came back, decided to start the stream. So the Gambling Man says yes, indeed, for the gambling side.